Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So today I'm going to be doing this Queen of Hearts makeup look. So if you want to see how to create this look for yourself, then keep on watching. So first I'm going to be taking this MAC Soft Ochre paint pot and just going to be putting that on as my base. Also, I've already gone in and done my eyebrows just so this video isn't super long. Then I'm going to be taking my Morphe 350 palette and I'm just going to take the very first shade on the top corner and I'm just going to be using that as my base shade. Going back in with the same palette, I'm going to be taking this warm toned brown and I'm just going to use that as my transition shade and putting it on my crease. Then I'm taking the Anastasia Beverley Hills Modern Renaissance palette and I'm taking the shade Red Ochre. And I'm just going to pop that shade all over my lid. So as you can see, there is a ton of fallout, so I'm just taking some micellar water on a pad and just cleaning that up. Then I'm taking the Modern Renaissance palette and I'm just going to go back in with the shade Red Ochre. And I'm going to be popping that on my lower lash line just to make it all seamless and all connected, and yeah. So then I'm going to be taking the Nip and Fab mascara and I'm just going to coat my top lashes. So now I'm going to be doing my base off camera, again just so this video isn't super long. So base on and baked on, and now I'm going to be doing my lashes. These are the flammable lashes from Dragon Lashes, I'm not too sure. If I'm wrong I will pop it in the description down below if you are interested and like these lashes. Going back into my Morphe palette again. And I'm just going to take a little bit of a darker shade just so then I can put it under my lash line and kind of deepen it up a little bit. Once that is done, you are just going to want to wipe away all that baking powder. So now I'm going to be taking some liquid latex and I'm just popping a fair bit on the top of my eyebrow like so. While I'm waiting for my latex to dry, I'm going to be taking the PS Love lip liner pencil in red and I'm just going to put a little heart down below my eye. Taking the Stila liquid liner and the Revlon Colourstay skinny liner, and I'm just going to be carving out a little ace next to the heart, and I'm using two different liners because one is running out basically, so I needed the other one to make it just extra black, and yeah. Going in with the Modern Renaissance palette again and taking the shade Red Ochre, and I'm just going to be using that as my contour shade, and I'm going to be using it to sculpt out my cheekbones and to also put on my forehead and underneath my jawline. And I'm lightly going to put it on my nose as well, just to sculpt my nose and make it look smaller. So now I'm going to go back in with my foundation and I'm just going to pop that on top of my liquid latex so it looks a part of my skin. So once that is done, you are just going to want to take some tweezers and start to pull at the latex and kind of pull it downwards. Then I'm taking the Revolutionpro SFX Face Paint palette. And I'm going to be mixing the red and black together just to make the red look a bit darker. And then applying it on top of the latex. Then have some cards at the ready to stick kind of on top, and make it look like the cards are coming out of the wound. So then taking the fake blood, and I'm just gonna pop that kind of all over the latex and also on top of the cards as well. And I'm also going to put it kind of down my face as well. Taking the Nip and Fab mascara again, and I'm just going to be using that to coat my lower lashes. Taking the L'Oreal Paris Colour Riche lipstick in the shade 461. And I'm just going to be popping that on my lips and doing a little heart shape. Taking a new highlight favourite of mine. This is the Maybelline New York Face Studio Chrome Extreme highlighter in the shade Diamond Glow. And I'm just going to be popping that on the bridge of my nose and in the tear ducts, and also on my brow bone, and kind of in the areas that I want to highlight and glow. And there you have it, that is the finished makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you're going as for Halloween, because I would love to know, and I will see you on my next video. Be sure to subscribe and like to see more from me, and yeah, bye guys. Mwah.